Now, RSS Executive Council is meeting in Chennai today to deliberate on various issues, including the recent allegation against the BJP President Nitin Gadkari. Now, the RSS has appeared deeply divided on this entire issue of Nitin Gadkari, with leaders like Bhaiyaji Joshi saying that the BJP leader should himself clarify on the charges. So far, the party has stuck to its ground, claiming that if any of the allegations are proven, then law should take its own course.
कार्यकारी मंडल of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh is meeting in Chennai for the first time in its history. However, earlier one or two All India programs have taken place in Chennai, and some years ago at Kanyakumari we had the similar meetings. In Sangh we have, for our administrative purpose, created or divided the Tamil Nadu as North and South Tamil Nadu for purposes of organization. So in that way, first time in North Tamil Nadu this Executive Council is meeting. All the office bearers and members who have arrived till last night and this morning are overwhelmed with the hearty and affectionate reception that has been accorded to them by the Tamil Nadu unit of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and all the workers.
So there you were hearing the first reaction from the RSS on the charges against Nitin Gadkari, and joining us is Vikram on the phone line. Now, Vikram, very interestingly here, the RSS also needs to fight the public perception that it is going soft on corruption, although it is not backing Nitin Gadkari here anyways.
Well, indeed, a specific question with regard to Nitin Gadkari was asked to the National General Secretary, Mr. Dattatreya, and he clearly said that there is no soft corner for anybody, whether it's from the BJP or the Congress or on people who have indulged in corruption. That was the message, and he also maintained that, as informed by the RSS General Secretary through a press release a few days back, that they will, anybody who faces allegations should be punished under the law, is what they want to maintain, and that's exactly what he told us today. At the same time, he clearly reiterated that there will not be any resolution that will be specifically passed on Gadkari or on issues relating to the BJP. In fact, another question was also asked specifically about Yediyurappa and the charges that were leveled by the Lok Ayukta. He again mentioned that that's again an issue that will be discussed by the BJP, and the RSS has got nothing to do with it. So as of now, the RSS is standing ground and maintaining and reiterating what it had said earlier.